AI agents are the new hot thing in 2025 and beyond. And the main goal, of course, is to leverage AI agents the best as possible. And this means that we do not only use ChatGPT, for instance, but we build AI automated workflows. And one way to do this is using n8n. n8n is a no-code, low-code platform which allows us exactly to do this. And here's an example. So this is a built-in Telegram trigger, which allows us to chat on our app, so on the Telegram app, and then based on what kind of chat message we receive, either text or audio, then we have routes which are explored here. And if it's audio, then it is downloaded, transcribed by OpenAI, and then it is fed into our agent. The agent then creates a response and sends it back to Telegram. This is the idea behind that. So this is the complete workflow. That's how we create it. And you see that all this is drag and drop. So there's no coding to do, actually. And now let me just show you that it works. If I go to activate that workflow, now it's set to active. And now if I go on my Telegram, either on my smartphone or for you guys to see it, I just open the Telegram app here. And then I can do it directly on my Windows computer. And now I can chat with my chatbot. So for instance, what is Andromeda? Andromeda in space. That's one of my standard questions. And I can send this. And now this data is now sent to the AI agent, which is ChatGPT, and then it should deliver a result, and there it is. So Andromeda is the context of space, primarily refers to, and so on and so on. So if you can see that this is exactly the answer, and this is created based on the chatbot, which is running in the background in here. So this specific chatbot here. And also we could try this out with audio. So let me show this to you. If I go in here, and I say, what is the capital of the US? And you can see that now we have sent it. So I spoke this time in my microphone, and then this was transcribed and now answered by the chatbot, and or in this case OpenAI, and then sent back in here. So this allows us now to either send text messages or also audio messages, and this is then, well, transcribed and also, well, calculated on the background here, also on the back end here in n8n, and then sent back to the Telegram channel we are in. So that's it for this video. So really interesting to see that how easy it is to actually implement this. No code, low code. If you want to see more, just let me know. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.